This video will show you how to replace the sleeve of a Concept2 oar. The tools and parts needed for the project are shown here. Remove the set screw and assembly screws. Using a dull chisel, pry the sleeve from one corner. For skinny shafts, you must also remove the skinny insert. Next, heat the adhesive, focusing on the area where the glue meets the shaft. Once the glue is sufficiently heated, it should pry up with firm pressure from a dull chisel. Unscrew and separate the new sleeve assembly. If you are installing sleeves on a skinny shaft, make sure to properly orient the sleeve insert. This can be done by paying close attention to the exposed blue rim of the sleeve. The narrow exposed rim should be oriented inboard toward the grip of the oar. The wider exposed rim should be oriented outboard toward the blade of the oar. Once oriented, clip the insert into the green sleeve. Next, place the assembly on top of the shaft and screw the assembly in the rough location of the sleeve. Before the sleeve can be bonded, it is important to roughly orient the pitch of the sleeve. Next, use a tape measure to adjust the sleeve to the desired inboard range. Place masking tape on the shaft to mark the location of the sleeve to ensure it does not move while the urethane cures. Use the dispensing gun to inject the glue into both halves of the sleeve. The working time of the urethane is about 10 minutes. Stop injecting glue when urethane emerges from the 2 bleed holes on the sleeve. Immediately after the urethane has been injected, place the oar on a leveled Concept2 pitch jig. Make sure to double-check the orientation of the sleeve. Use a bullet level to pitch the sleeve for a 0-degree pitch. Minor adjustments can be made by twisting the sleeve. Leave the oar in a location where it can remain undisturbed for 24 hours, after which the oar can be used.